Welcome dear friends. Today we will discuss about monograph of ammonium chloride and potassium iodide. In your examination, question will be asked in this manner. Give monograph of ammonium chloride or monograph of potassium iodide. So in that condition you will write all the things that we will discuss now. First is monograph of ammonium chloride. Molecular formula NH4Cl. Molecular weight 53.49 gram per mole. Limits of purity. This ammonium chloride contains not less than 99.5% weight by weight of ammonium chloride. Preparation. This ammonium chloride can be prepared by two different methods. First one, it can be prepared by neutralizing this ammonia with the hydrochloric acid, so that whatever solution we will get, this solution will be evaporated, so that we will get crystalline mass of ammonium chloride. So this is the first method by which we can prepare ammonium chloride. Second one, it can be also prepared by heating of sodium chloride with ammonium sulfate, so that we will get 2 moles of ammonia, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid and sodium sulfate. Here this ammonia will react with hydrochloric acid, so that ammonium chloride will be formed. Next is properties. It is either white fine or crystalline powder. It is hygroscopic. It is soluble in water and glycerin. Now assay. Assay can be performed by two different methods. Method number 1. This ammonium chloride was previously assayed by precipitation titration by Volhard's method. In the Volhard's method, we will take 0.2 gram ammonium chloride. This 0.2 gram ammonium chloride we will dissolve in 40 ml water. Then we will acidify this solution by adding 3 ml nitric acid. Then we will add 50 ml 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution, and we will add 5 ml nitrobenzene. After that we will shake this entire mixture. Now this excess of this silver nitrate we will titrate with 0.1 normal ammonium thiocyanate solution using ferric ammonium sulfate as an indicator. Reaction for the assay is ammonium chloride, that is react with AgNO3, so that ammonium nitrate will be formed and AgCl precipitate will be liberated. Factor is each ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate is equivalent to 0.005349 gram of ammonium chloride. This 53.49, it is the molecular weight of ammonium chloride. Method number 2. Now this ammonium chloride, it is assayed by acid base titration. This is the simpler method. It does not require silver nitrate. Silver nitrate, it is the costly material, so as this method does not require silver nitrate, so it is cheaper. Procedure for this method is, we will take 0.1 gram ammonium chloride in the conical flask. Then we will add 50 ml distilled water. Then we will add 5 ml neutral formaldehyde solution. This formaldehyde contains small amount of formic acid. As this formic acid is acidic, so it bears slight acidic character. So we have to neutralize this solution. We will neutralize by sodium hydroxide solution with phenolphthalein solution. We will keep aside this entire solution for 2 minutes, so that this ammonium chloride will react with water, so hydrochloric acid will be liberated. So this entire reaction mixture in which hydrochloric acid is liberated, we will titrate with standard 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution using phenolphthalein solution as an indicator. Factor is Each ml of 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution is equivalent to 0.005349 gram of ammonium chloride. Reaction for these assay is ammonium chloride react with water, ammonium hydroxide will be formed, hydrochloric acid will be liberated. This ammonium hydroxide 4 mole will react with 6 mole of water, so that hexamine will be formed. Formula is C6H12N4 with the liberation of 10 moles of water. This hydrochloric acid will react with sodium hydroxide that we have added to neutralize the solution, so that sodium chloride and water will be formed. Dose: if we use this ammonium chloride as a systemic acidifier, then the dose will be 1 to 2 gram 4 times a day, either in the form of injection or in the form of tablet. But if we are using this ammonium chloride as expectorant, then the dose will be 0.3 to 0.5 gram. Storage: it is stored in highly closed containers. Uses: it can be used as gastric acidifier, diuretic, it is a mild expectorant, and it is diaphoretic. Diaphoretic means increase the perspiration rate. So this is all about monograph of ammonium chloride. Second, monograph of potassium iodide. Molecular formula Ki. Molecular weight 166 gram per mole. Limit: it is having not less than 99% weight by weight of potassium iodide. Now preparation. First one, industrially it is prepared by the action of iodine on the moist ion, so that it will form ferroferric iodide Fe2,2Fei3, that is known as ferroferric iodide. Then this ferroferric iodide will decompose with the potassium carbonate, so that potassium iodide will be formed. So reaction will be like Fe, that is react with I2, that will give FeI2 to FeI3, that is ferroferric iodide. This ferroferric iodide will be treated with 4 moles of potassium carbonate, so that 8 moles of potassium iodide will be formed with the liberation of ferroferric oxide, that is FeO, Fe2O3, and 4 moles of carbon dioxide. Second method is it can prepared by treatment of potassium hydroxide with the iodine, so that potassium iodide and potassium iodate will be formed with the formation of 3 water molecules, with the liberation of 3 water molecules. This potassium iodide and potassium iodate mixture will be treated with charcoal powder, so that this potassium iodate will be decomposed and potassium iodide will be formed with liberation of 3 moles of carbon monoxide. So these are the two different preparation by which potassium iodide can be formed. Next is property. It is colorless, transparent or opaque crystal, or it is white granular powder. It is odorless. It is saline and bitter in taste. It is soluble in water, glycerin, alcohol and acetone. Now uses. It is used internally to supply iodine when there is thyroid deficiency. So in the treatment of thyroid deficiency, this potassium iodide will be used. Also it can be used as expectorant in cough mixture. It is saline diuretic. It has mild antifungal activity. It is also used in the treatment of some reagent that contain complex iodides. For example, potassio-mercuric iodide, potassio-bismuth iodide, etc. Last one, storage. It is stored in well-closed container. So this is all about monograph of ammonium chloride and potassium iodide. So whenever question asked in your examination, you will write all the things. So prepare well. We will meet again in the next lecture with the another topic. Thank you for watching this video.